unleashed hell. And soon, everybody will be coming for us, even our own. People are afraid. The match is lit. They will come for us. They will come for you. That thing will attack again, and it might want to settle the score. You are not safe out here, so you will obey me.
So, speak.
Okay, look, I know you asked me not to say anything, but it's bothering me.
Behind that sulking, pathetic look, you want more. It's revenge you truly desire, boy. And if it's revenge you want, then the price is blood.
Snap your pretty little neck without spilling my drink, Sappy. Don't you ever question who I am.
You know what I am.
Right, come here.
Not a monster.
Find it, kill it, and take everyone. Find it, kill it, and take everyone. And don't come back into the dead.
You must be into some freaky shit, because every time I see you, you're naked.